There you go. Finish the exercise before you start sprinting one. Start opposite foot. Good. There you go, one. Good, I'm gonna go double. 1, 2, 1, 2. Arms, arms, arms. Watch Amara if you don't know what to do. Good. Good.
Oh shit.
Go again. Just straight sideways. Kareem, look at everyone else. Look at everyone else, Kareem. You're not paying attention? Hey, we're just going like this. You're going. Yeah? Do that after. In, out. There you go, you got it. Good one. Yeah, yeah. Go, go, go. In front of you. Good, good. Arms, 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 arms. Wait, no. Stop, reset, go back. Can't be making mistakes. Nice. And arms, in arms. There you go. Last one. Good, good. Go water if you need. Play all the balls to the sides of each net, or to each post. So we're all a bit out of shape, but regardless of your age or your ability, this thing here just makes you improve your coordination. Just throw them beside each post, and it will actually make you faster because it teaches your muscles to trigger in a certain way. And when I haven't done it for a while, I'll come and do those exercises. I'll feel extremely slow and heavy, kind of like today, but a consistent week, and you're gonna notice right away you feel way sharper, your muscle fibers trigger a lot faster, coordination, your movement's way better. So don't neglect the importance of this. Great stuff. My guy at Mars, he's on the yoga regimen. Hey? He's on the yoga regimen. He says he's changing his game. He's got those yoga tackles, faster recovery. But if you want an example of an athlete, that's what you want to look like. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember, hit that like button. Comment below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.